Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Data Studio Community Connectors for SEO, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with authorizing Data Studio Community Connectors for SEO, first, open Google Data Studio. Sign in using your Google account associated with your Data Studio. Once you're signed in, navigate to the report where you want to use the Community Connector. Click on the Resource menu in the top navigation bar. Select Manage Added Data Sources from the drop-down. This will show you the list of data sources currently in your report. To add a new community connector, click on the Add a Data Source button. Search for the community connector you want to use for SEO. After finding the connector, click on it to initiate the connection process. You will see a screen summarizing the data the connector will access. Review the permissions carefully. If you agree, click on the Authorize button. You may need to sign in again or grant additional permissions based on the connector's requirements. Once authorized, return to the Data Studio interface. You will now see the new data source available in your report. Click on the newly added data source to confirm it's working properly. You may want to edit the fields or settings based on your specific SEO needs. Once satisfied with your configurations, proceed to use the connector in your report visuals. Now, enjoy the enhanced SEO data insights in your Google Data Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.